Okay, here we have parts to the rover head. There's a whole brain section that goes up here. It has more lights yet, moves up and down. There's 50 lights there, and you've got 8 more there, so there's 58 lights, blinking lights in that part. Now the part that makes the upper brain part move up and down is this little device here. There's a cam, and this is that part there will go to the upper brain. And the micro switch is for stopping the motor, so you can have power to it all the time. And then on this wire, if I touch it to positive, it'll start, just like windshield wipers in a car, it'll start the action. So it'll go up and back down and always stop in the down position. This part, these 4 mounting holes, mounts into the top of the brain there. Let's turn off these lights. Like so, because it quite frankly was blinding me. If you wanted to see just how ugly 58 LED wiring inside would be, there you go. Here, let's turn on the light on the camera. There we go. Might help. Each flashing LED has its own current limiting resistor. In the colored things, I 3D printed those, hollow, and stuck the flashing white flashing LEDs on the inside. Brought them all up to a 2-1 power lead. Okay, so with any luck, in the next video we'll have the brain lifter installed and more of the brain parts. Like I say, the upper brain part has another, I have it written down here, got another 28 flashing LEDs total in it, so it's a lot of flashing lights going on.